What's up, guys? We're gonna be playing a normal Sonic game. It's a totally normal Sonic game I found on the website. Totally not a ROM hack. Let's get it. Yeah. Rookie. Where's my Sega? This is totally not a ROM hack. This is legit. Yay. Get I did not swear, and if it was a mistake. Rings 0. Alright? We're just walking through the freaking Green Hill Zone as Tails. This is a totally normal Sonic game I found on the Play Store. Link will be in the description. It's totally safe to down. What the freak? Oh no! Sonic fan, look away! It's horrible! Oh my gosh, what is this? What else do I go back? You know what, I'm gonna go forward. Sonic! Yay! He can save the world! Wait. 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 Why is he doing this? Oh, Tails, turn back. Do you want to play? No. Do you want to play with me? No. Wait, what kind of game are you talking about? Saw? Scramble? I'm guessing you mean this. Let's get out. How do you jump in this game? Is it up? No. Apparently you can't jump. Oh no. Run. What is happening? Oh crap. Run. Run. I can't do anything. Crap, crap, crap. Tails, I can't move him, look. I can't move. What's happening? That did not sound good. Somebody spilled that tomato soup.
You're too slow. Want to try again?
Yeah, we'll try racing Sonic. You ain't beating that mofo. Okay, Tails is locked. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be that Knuckle boy. Guys, you think I'd learn to know that by now? Oh my gosh. You can't run. Can I go back? Oh yeah, I can't run. Can I go off the edge? Did I break the game? I think I broke it. Don't like playing by the rules. No, I want to get out. I'm trying to exit the app, it won't let me. I swear I can't. F. Yeah, that's what I feel like right now. Oh, here we go, we got a jump button now. I think I broke it. You're fun to play with. I think I broke the game. I don't know what I'm doing. But this is my world. Can I leave? Warning, a freaking warning for you guys. If you're like, oh my gosh. YOLO. Won't be long now. If it says soon one of, like, my subscribers will join us, I'm freaking just gonna shut down this phone. Have it, like, freaking destroy. I'm gonna throw in a freaking volcano. I don't care how far I have to go. Soon will be joining us. Who is ... Somebody will be joining us. I was seriously about to lose. Are you listening? I'm freaking listening. I'm reading the words out loud. Jeez. What more do you want? You're next. But the game just freeze. It just froze. Oh. You can't run. Okay, we're back in the weird world. Can I jump off again? No? I can't go back. Alright, you know what? Let's get it. Yeah, I know it's a Sonic game, shush. Okay, who messed up the antenna? Me don't like that. I don't like it. That's literally what this game is gonna be. Oh, the YouTube video is gonna be called A Totally Normal Sonic Game. Sonic. Why you spill tomato soup everywhere? Does not look like blood. That does not look like blood. Boy, that look like wrong case of tomato soup to me. Oh crap. Game froze again. Maybe it's not freezing up, and maybe it's supposed to happen. Found. Yeah, shut up. Give me my prize away. I don't give a crap. No, I'm out. Oh, we gotta get him. Okay. You know what? I'm out. And we're going. Knuckles, run. Run. It's fake. It's like robots. Metal Sonic. You can't get it. Oh my gosh, his joystick.
You will die at
Crap.
my hands.
Oh no, he broke his leg. Game froze. I don't know what's going on. This is a totally legitimate Sonic game. I thought it was, anyway.
Souls to play.
This is a virus, I think.
Time. Would you agree?
No, Knuckles, it's up to Eggman. We need to save the world. We need to save the world. Let's get it. Woo! I broke it.
Either I broke it or this is supposed to happen.
I will strip your flesh from your body.
Dance party.
There's probably a secret on the Tails map. When the music ends, you probably gotta go back or something. I don't know, but we'll do that, at the end of the video, when the game ends. What? Who do you keep fighting? You Dumbo? My game has only just begun. I'm sorry. Dot. Where's my ring? Get my mofo ring. I think I gotta do the same thing. Alright, break it and then go back. There it is. So apparently if I get 3 negative rings, I think something will happen. But we'll save that for another vid if you want to see what happens if we get the negative rings. And I don't think we can go back upstairs. Oh, you can. Because my friend played this, and that scared the crap out of me. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Run.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. This sucks.
Stop.
No, you're not. Talk to the boy up there. The Jeebus boy. Tell that to him. Stupid. Yeah, leave. It's the Jeebus. I don't got no holy cross, though. Oh, no. Who do I select? Is it the end of the game? I think if we wait a few seconds or we try to leave, something happens. Or no, the game just kicks me out. Alright guys, so we're gonna see what happens if I get the Tails ring. Get my Sega! I'm gonna skip the other parts though. I'm gonna pause as soon as we get the Tails ring. Dun, 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 dun. Shut your freaking phony up, because I know it's a jump scare. So I think we have to go back. Shut up. I think we have to go back when the music stops playing. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna yeet over here. Alright, we're gonna go back.
Let's go. Warning, I'm turning on the volume. Alright. Alright. I'm expecting it. Where is it? I think it's all the way back at the start. Yep. Easter egg right here. We found the secret. The Tails level.
Oh, you guys probably can't hear me.
Alright, now we can jump. Nice. Nice. I think we can jump as Eggman.
Oh, crap.
I can't move. Alright, whatever. These controls suck, but better than none. I'm gonna move this over here. Alright. Down the stairs of death. Alright. If I ever learn how to animate, I'm gonna so do an animation of this. Alright. I didn't think I was gonna be able to download this per mobile, but apparently I could.
Oh gosh, I don't trust this.
I thought Tails was gonna break his leg or something and then die. Where are we? Is this Marble Zone? Oh my gosh, it jumps for days. Hello. My freaking headbutt you, Sonic. Oh my god, shut up. Thank you. The fires await, as in that freaking Reaper boy at.
Alright, what we gonna do is we gonna go back and get our ring. Give me that. Alright, I'm gonna pause.
Yoink, yoink. Alright, my guys, so what we gonna be doing is we gonna be heading down these stairs. Cut. Oh wait, no. We gotta go back and get the ring. My bad. Alright, we got all the rings. That's good. Let's get it. Alright, Eggman, yeet your booty down them stairs. You just be freaking popping downstairs. Don't you wish you could walk downstairs like this? That's so beautiful. It's the memes. That's memes at work, boy. I'm gonna make a meme of that. Hold up. Yep, knew it. I know it. Shut the freak up, dude. No, you're not. Talk to that boy up there. That boy up there in heaven. Who you gonna say that to, huh? You gonna say that to God? Huh? You gonna say that fat boy? Nah, freaking jeez, motherfucker. I won't swear this one time, but it's Jesus, motherfucker. So basically, my friend told me there was a secret ending when you get all the rings. But I'm just waiting here. Nothing's happened. So wait, something happened. Something's happened. Ready for round 2. We unlocked something. I did not want to see this.
If you want to see this, you need some help. You see what Knuckles is hanging on? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That actually looked like it was made in paint. Like on the freaking computer, you know, like paint. Like on Windows 7. Do I go back into the game? Because my friend had told me, if you get all the rings, there's a secret part. Alright, you know what? I already know what the secret part is, so I'm just going to tell it to you now. Sonic is alive. Sonic.exe is like a demonic form of him that trapped him and his friends, and his friend died. But Sonic is alive, and he's just trapped in the demonic world of the EXEs. But, he dies in the end anyway, so thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time, my guys. Hold up. We need to get that still DRE up in here.
Thanks for watching, my guys. We'll see you next time. We need this after all that bullcrap.